Next up is Joe Devance. And of course, Joe Devance also a first-timer here in the three-point shootout. Ito yung sinasabi mo, 6'6", 6'7", sumasali na ngayon sa three-point shootout. Dati, pag pinasali mo yung mga ganyang kalalaking player, pagtatawanan ka pa di ba? Pero how the game has evolved, kaibigan, and the skills of the players, ngayon, talagang kakaiba na.
Dati meron mga 6'6", tutok na, hindi pa na-shoot Piski na 6'1".
Saka ito, maganda nga yung rhythm dito ni Joe Devance. Ang bilis pa nga. Is on his fourth rack.
But score, di gaanong kasing ganda. Okay, John Arrigo.
Luckily, he can take his time now. 15 seconds to finish the last rack. Para maihabol ito. Si Iba waved off kasi nagsistepping siya
Remember, our score at your screen, at the bottom of your screen, is an unofficial score.
And may referee po tayo dyan to make sure na hindi nakaapak sa linya itong mga participants. That's why, ito, titignan natin yung official count for Joe Devance.
The official count is 12 by Joe Devance. Not a bad showing para sa una mong pagsali sa competition na to. And remember, like we said,